Floyd Mayweather's car collection. Floyd Mayweather, renowned for his unparalleled boxing career and flamboyant lifestyle, boasts a car collection that reflects his affinity for luxury and speed, with a net worth allowing him to indulge in the most exclusive automotive offerings. Mayweather's collection features a stunning array of high-performance vehicles from brands like Bugatti, Ferrari, and Porsche. Bugatti Veyron. The Bugatti Veyron is a groundbreaking supercar that redefined automotive engineering and performance benchmarks upon its debut. Engineered by the French manufacturer Bugatti, a subsidiary of Volkswagen Group, the Veyron stands as a testament to what is achievable when luxury and engineering prowess converge. The heart of the Veyron lies an astonishing 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. This powerhouse generates an incredible 1,001 horsepower in its standard configuration, with later models like the Super Sport pushing the boundaries even further, reaching up to 1,200 horsepower. This immense power enables the Veyron to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating production cars ever made. Beyond sheer speed, the Veyron is also renowned for its technological innovations. It was the first production car to surpass the 250 miles per hour barrier, setting a new standard for top speed in road-legal vehicles. Its advanced aerodynamics, including an active rear spoiler that adjusts to improve stability at high speeds, ensure that the Veyron remains firmly planted on the ground even when pushing the limits. Inside, the Bugatti Veyron offers a luxurious and meticulously crafted cabin, featuring premium materials and bespoke options for personalization. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. The Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita is a marvel of automotive engineering and luxury, characterized by its unparalleled rarity, stunning design, and blistering performance. Only 2 examples of this hypercar were ever produced, making it one of the most exclusive vehicles in the world. The core of the CCXR Trevita is its revolutionary exterior, crafted from a unique diamond weave carbon fiber material. This innovative composite not only provides exceptional strength and lightness, but also gives the car a distinctive shimmering appearance akin to the sparkle of diamonds under sunlight. Underneath its visually arresting exterior lies a powerhouse of performance. The CCXR Trevita is equipped with a twin supercharged 4.8-liter V8 engine that produces a staggering 1,018 horsepower and 797 pound-feet of torque. This immense power, combined with a lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics, propels the Trevita from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 2.9 seconds, with a top speed that exceeds 254 miles per hour. Inside the cabin, the CCXR Trevita offers a blend of luxury and technology. Premium materials abound, from exquisite leather upholstery to carbon fiber trim, all meticulously crafted to provide a bespoke driving experience. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring cutting-edge infotainment systems and ergonomic controls that enhance both comfort and performance. Beyond its raw speed and luxurious interior, the CCXR Trevita represents a pinnacle of automotive exclusivity and craftsmanship. Each detail, from its hand-assembled components to its custom-tailored finishes, reflects Koenigsegg's dedication to creating not just a car, but an automotive masterpiece that captivates both the eyes and the senses of those fortunate enough to experience it. Ferrari Enzo. The Ferrari Enzo is a marvel of automotive engineering and design. It was first unveiled in 2002 as a tribute to the company's founder, and it has since become a classic. This limited production supercar, which bears the name of Enzo Ferrari himself, exemplifies Ferrari's unrelenting pursuit of performance and innovation. At its core is a naturally aspirated 6.0-liter V12 engine that was created using Formula One technology. This engine is capable of producing around 660 horsepower. The Enzo's impressive acceleration and dynamic skills are demonstrated by the fact that it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a little more than 3 seconds thanks to its enormous power. Not only does its lightweight carbon fiber bodywork, which has been aerodynamically optimized for high-speed stability, improve its performance, but it also offers it a stunning and purposeful appearance. The inside of the Enzo features a cockpit that is designed with the driver in mind and is ornamented with high-end materials such as leather and carbon fiber. This cockpit combines luxury and functionality. McLaren 650S. In the area of supercars, the McLaren 650S, which was released in 2014, exemplifies the company's dedication to combining cutting-edge technology with explosive performance. Aerodynamic upgrades and characteristic dihedral doors are included into its design, which optimizes both aesthetics and airflow for increased stability. There is a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine hidden beneath its contoured exterior. This engine is capable of producing 641 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. Because of its power, the 650S can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, and it can reach a high speed that is greater than 207 miles per hour. The lightweight carbon fiber monocell chassis that McLaren uses adds to remarkable handling dynamics. This chassis is complemented by adaptive suspension systems that modify damping in real time to achieve the best possible ride comfort and cornering performance. Porsche 911 Turbo S. The Porsche 911 Turbo S is a pinnacle of engineering prowess and performance within the iconic 911 lineup, renowned for its blend of cutting-edge technology, everyday usability, and blistering speed. Its core, the 911 Turbo S is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter flat-six engine, meticulously engineered to deliver an impressive 640 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This robust powertrain, paired with Porsche's refined all-wheel drive system and an advanced 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. The exterior design of the 911 Turbo S reflects both its heritage and contemporary styling cues, featuring an aerodynamically optimized body with distinctive turbo-specific elements. These include wider rear fenders, an active rear spoiler, and integrated air intakes that not only enhance the car's performance, but also lend it a dynamic and purposeful appearance on the road. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.